Dr. Thomas Jeremin conducts his ward rounds. The Assistant Medical Director of Geriatrics at the Bochum Augusta-Kranken-Anstalt is one of 4 doctors at the hospital currently testing Speech Anywhere. After roughly 7 weeks, feedback is very good.
Ich bin eigentlich positiv überrascht.
I am positively surprised. The version of the software I'm using at the moment is much more suited to individual practice. On a day-to-day basis, on the ward, during diagnosis, even for making notes quickly and easily. It is now possible to dictate directly to fields which previously were not speech-activated. Once a connection with the server has been established, Speech Anywhere launches via the browser quickly and reliably, and is perfect for virtually every aspect of documentation. I can use the software to dictate anywhere in the text, irrespective of the workflow and in a way that suits me. I can make amendments and use it on a daily basis for documents, report creation, diagnosis during endoscopic examination, for ultrasound scans, and if necessary, for patient scheduling. Andreas Keisler, CIO of the Augusta-Kranken-Anstalt. Speech recognition has been used here since 2002. Speech Anywhere boasts easy installation, and integration with existing hospital information systems is effortless. Rollout is much easier compared with traditional speech recognition. With traditional speech recognition, you have to make sure that the drivers for the microphones are installed, that the software is installed, that user accounts have been created. With Speech Anywhere, the client package can simply be downloaded via a link, URL or a website and launched. This is something any user can do, working on the same principle as an internet browser plugin, and then you're off. The lion's share of processing is handled in the background by the server. This allows for several clients and facilitates hospital-wide rollout and deployment of speech recognition. The advantage of Speech Anywhere is that on the client side, I can use any device for dictation, be it an iPad, iPhone, a conventional tablet PC, a thin client, a fat client. Anything is possible, which means that the client no longer has to handle the bulk of the processing, which is now done in the cloud. The central Speech Anywhere server runs in the background and takes care of the processing, which means I only have to dimension my backend accordingly. The introduction of speech recognition at the Augusta-Kranken-Anstalt in 2002 has accelerated the documentation process considerably. Thanks to Speech Anywhere, all clinical documentation is now speech-based, making life easier for the doctors and facilitating integration. We have pilot projects running at a number of locations, and the principles of development, namely zero wait, zero deployment effort, zero integration effort, are proving a great success and are also timely, while moving speech recognition to the cloud is precisely what is expected right now. Feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Testing will continue to the end of the year, when Speech Anywhere will then be available to hospitals and doctors.